on the ground at Great Oakley. We've just stopped just so I can check my fuel situation with me losing my fuel cap, and also to change the camera batteries. So we're about to set off now. We're actually making a slight diversion. We're going to Little Snoring to go and pick me a new fuel cap up, and then from there we are heading to Cromer. Great Oakley, Golf Mike, Echo Golf Zulu, entering runway 09 for back chance. What I'll do, Charlie, I'll just sit behind you, and you can go first if you want, or I'll go first, I don't mind.
Yeah, okay, I'll take a wide circuit so I can turn around. Great Oakley, Golf, Charlie Foxtrot Tango Zulu, rolling 09.
So quite an upslope here, to be fair. Charlie's disappearing there. There we go, he's up. Perfect, so we'll give it 30 seconds and then we'll follow him.
Great Oakley, Golf Mike, Echo Golf Zulu, taking off runway 09.
So yeah, there's quite an upslope here. Temperatures and pressures are good.
Charlie, you on frequency?
A first. I'm just going to route slightly inbound of these towers down here, and then I'll pick up track again.
So we've got a town called Southwold on our nose. We're just about to follow the coastline around now. We've just gone around a danger area, so we chose to go around it on the land side, and now we're just picking up the coastline, and we're going to follow that all the way to get my my fuel cap from Little Snoring, and from there we're going to head to Cromer, set up camp for the evening. Beautiful conditions right now, absolutely stunning. The views have been incredible as well. I mean, the beach down there, wow, just absolutely beautiful. You'll probably pick it up on the other camera in just a moment.
I know where I'm landing if my engine goes.
Yeah, looks pretty good.
Although it does look quite soft.
Beautiful. What a view.
I might just skim this beach down here actually.
So tempting, isn't it?
Get nice and low, I think, and then I'll climb back up before the town. You behind me, Charlie?
Affirmative.
So we got low stopped on the left here, which we're just going round, and then a little bit further up we've got Great Yarmouth.
Coming up your starboard side in your 4 o'clock.
Hey, fam.
Not too far to go now, folks. We are just to the east of Martham, and we're tracking around the coast, heading to Little Snoring to pick up my fuel cap. Keep mentioning that, don't I? It's because I'm really annoyed. Gary, who I was with last week on the Isle of Wight flyout, thankfully he found my fuel cap on runway 27 at Ashcroft, so it's always good to have a spare, I suppose. And Paul at the Light Aircraft Company was fantastic. I rang him up, he's left one out for me. Which is very kind of him. And it didn't cost me as much as I thought it would either. It was only 25 quid or something like that, I think, plus that. Don't quote me on that though.
Where have you gone, Charlie?
Down a bit lower. I was giving this guy on the quad bike, on the beach on a quad bike a run for his money. Shall we route underneath this restricted area and then cut through to Little Snoring from here?
Underneath what, sorry?
There's a restricted area coming up. It's only 600 feet, but we've got the route underneath Weybourne to come across to Little Snoring anyway.
Underneath it? What do you mean? It says surface to 3000.
South of it, I meant, sorry.
Oh right, so you lost me then. Yeah, can do. Okay, I'll put in a turn now to the left.
Roger that.
You still got me, Charlie?
Yeah, roger, I'm coming up on your port side round 8 o'clock.
Little Snoring frequency, if you want it.
Get ready to copy.
118.130.
118.130.
Thanks, Sam. I just can't believe I managed to leave the fuel cap on the top of my flap.
Happens the same to me.
I'll never do it again.
That's exactly right. One of those lessons that you learn that you'll never, or hopefully never do again. Oh, behind you, just giving you some distance to get into Little Snoring. Are you just thinking a long final on 25?
That's exactly what I'm thinking. So I'm just going to do a call saying inbound.
Roger that.
Little Snoring radio, Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, inbound from the east, approximately 6 miles to run. Thermals just won't bugger off, will they?
Nope, they're your best friend and your worst enemy.
What idea gives you what gives you the idea they're my best friend?
good for getting high quickly, if you're a glider.
Well, I'm not.
Oh, you should have seen this bird that just flew in behind you. I thought it was an approaching aircraft.
See it. I can see little snoring now.
Still looking.
Little snoring radio, Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, inbound from the east, approximately 2 miles to run.
Now if I'm correct, I think it's actually dead on your nose, and actually what was the runway again?
You're looking at the taxiway, I can see the runway. The taxiway is more or less pointing towards us. The runway is kind of going from 10 o'clock to 5 o'clock. I'm just going to check the windsock out.
Yeah, it's 0725, isn't it?
Yeah, that's it. Both left-hand circuits as well.
Well, I'm on long final now for 25. I'm happy to do an orbit if you want to go in first.
No, you can knock yourself out.
I will.
Yeah, you're fine on that runway. I'm just going to join the circuit now.
Got tarmac and grass.
Tarmac and grass, stay firm.
How long the tarmac is?
The whole runway is 850.
Roger that. I'll put a call in. Little snoring radio, Golf Charlie Foxtrot Tango Zulu, final 425.
Little snoring, Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, turning final for runway 25.
Runway vacated, Golf Charlie Foxtrot Tango Zulu. Bit of a drop from the grass onto the tarmac, but it's all good, mate.
No worries, I'll just keep the nose up.
Watch out for the wildlife, actually.
So this is the third new airfield of the day.
I should have landed longer.
just on the longest taxiway in the world, on the way to the runway, and then we've got to backtrack that, and that's massive as well. So then we'll be taking off and heading to Cromer. I've got my fuel cap. Thanks so much to Paul Light Aircraft Company, absolutely fantastic as always. Yeah, a bit of a lifesaver really. I don't know how many scenarios you can get in where you can lose your fuel cap and then pick one up 3 hours later from the dealer. Not bad really, not bad going at all. As far as mistakes go, it's not an awful one to make.
Do you mind if I cut in front of you and take the lead?
Go for it, fella.
Little snoring traffic, Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, taking off runway 25.
Right, so we'll do a short field takeoff because we haven't got an awful lot of runway. I'd say about 200 metres. So full power, release the brake, right rudder, and we are up. Charlie, he's away.
Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, turning downwind, runway 25.
Microlight frequency next.
AFM.
Alright, I'm going to pick up Cromer 118.265.
So this is only a short hop now over to Cromer. Looks like we're going to be using runway 22. Right, so we're just descending on the, onto the downwind.
Circuit level.
We're just descending onto the downwind for Cromer, runway 22, which looks very small from here.
Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, joining downwind for runway 22.
Cromer radio, Golf Charlie Foxtrot Tango Zulu, joining downwind for 22.
Golf Mike Echo Golf Zulu, final 22.